Okay, so today we're going to take a look at this mini printer, the Phomemo M02. So let's take this out of the box. Okay, so it looks like it's sliding out. Here we have it. So this is what it looks like. It's plastic, it's really small. I went with the black version. It has the micro USB port at the back. It has an on-off switch, and then it has this toggle switch, I guess, to open the paper compartment. This does come with a roll of paper. In the meantime, I did also charge the printer. It has a micro USB cord that's provided, and okay, this shows red right now when you turn it on and it's not paired. It was blinking green when I was charging it. So let's get to the paper. So basically that's how you open it. And there it is. So I want to actually have a look to see how, okay, pretty self-explanatory. So just remove this tab. Sample. So it's good that they provide this. I mean, the printer itself was 10 euros and this was included. But if you want to buy another roll or multiple ones, it's going to be at least the price of the printer or more. So yeah. So this is sticker paper basically that you have to rip. This goes inside like this and it stays in place, and then it does close. Okay, so now we're going to turn it on. You have to press, and now it does. Okay, there we go, so it turns green. So the next thing I'm going to do is check the app. So basically you have to pair this with the phone you're printing from via Bluetooth. So I'm going to do that. So this is what the app looks like. You have to accept the terms. And now it's searching for the printer. Connect now. Let's start printing. Hi, printer. And there you go. So let's try something new. notes. So I went to notes, select text, and then I guess hit print. And then you have these options for the thickness. And there you go. Okay, I pressed it again. I'm just wasting paper. Great. Okay, so let's try something different. Since Easter is coming, let's do one of these bunnies. Then hit print. Oh, okay. Okay, this is just cool. Super fast, and let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna try to cut it right at the edge there. Or should I try to rip it off? Has this metal edge with the teeth. I guess you can rip it if you pull hard. So there we have our bunny sticker. And then these previous notes. So let's try another one. Oh, fun. So let's do one of these. Actually, I like this one. Okay, so you don't see any change here, but I'm guessing it has to do with how dark this will look, but it's actually pretty dark, so it's pretty accurate. So let's do middle. I'm gonna hit print. And then hit print again. I'm gonna try to rip it again. You can rip it, it's a bit hard, but yeah, why not? So yeah, this is pretty much it with the Phomemo printer M02. One thing that I didn't want to mention, it doesn't have any feet or anything, so this part is gonna get, sorry about that, it's gonna get all scratched. So I'm gonna add some sticky feet, rubber feet on this one to place it that way.